Do you know how to use the phrasal verb get away? In this video, I'll show you how to use get away as a phrasal verb and get away with as a phrasal verb. At the end of the video, I'll also show you how to use get away as a noun. Here's the simple form for get away. In the past tense, it's got away. And as a past participle, it's gotten away. In American English, we use gotten away. In British English, got away as the past participle. But in American English, we usually use gotten away. A person who gets away takes a break. I need to get away. Here's the phrasal verb in the form of an infinitive. A person who needs to get away needs to take a break from work or some other occupation. It's good to get away. This is good advice for somebody who's experiencing stress or pressure at work. It's good to get away. In the form of a question, where do you go? And then here's the infinitive, to get away. Where do you go to get away? And in the answer, you don't have to use get away. Just say, I go to, and then here's the place. I go to the ocean. I go to the mountains or the desert or some other place where a person can rest and relax. It's hard to get away. With cell phones and the internet, for a person to get away is very difficult these days. To get away also means to escape. He's getting away is the same thing as saying he's escaping. This could be a person who is running from the police. He's getting away. This is in the present continuous tense. You can use get away for animals such as fish. When you go fishing, the fish that I caught got away. Or you could just say, it got away. This is in the past tense. To make a question, put did, and then the subject, and then the simple form, get, and then away. Did it get away? Or if it's a person, did he, did she, did they get away? Did they escape? When you add an additional preposition to get away, such as with, the meaning changes. Get away with, got away with, and gotten away with means to avoid responsibility. A person who gets away with something avoids responsibility. Here in the past tense, she got away with, and then here's the action. You could say she got away with murder, or she got away with, if it's a crime such as stealing from a store, she got away with shoplifting, or she got away with theft. These are almost the same thing. They're getting away with, and then here is the bad behavior, whatever it is. This sentence is in the present continuous tense. Here's the subject, and then each of these words is part of the phrasal verb, getting away with. And here is the negative. You'll never get away with it. This is the bad behavior, whatever this represents. This is a fairly common thing to say to a person who is contemplating some sort of bad behavior or crime. You can use getaway as a noun. Here, the words getaway are part of an infinitive. They made a plan to get away. And in this sentence, getaway is a thing. They made a getaway. This was the escape. The meaning of this sentence and this sentence is about the same. When a person makes a getaway, and you want to use the word make, that person has an escape or some sort of an escape plan. That person makes an escape. They used a getaway car. Here, getaway is functioning as an adjective for car, or you could just consider all of this to be part of a noun phrase. They used, here's the subject, here's the verb, and then here's the object, a getaway car. I hope this video helped you. If it did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.